Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. First of all, it's not Wednesday. I delayed my Wine and Wigs Wednesday video because I want to do a natural hair sort of video. I have an update. I chopped my hair off, and girl, she's cute. And I know y'all been roasting me about my natural hair. Now I got hair under a wig, and I feel proud of myself. Go check that video out. Meanwhile, let's get back into this gig. I know some of y'all winos have seen this before. This one is called California Roots. It is a Pinot Grigio. I actually got this from Target. Now it's $5 at Target, which is super inexpensive. This Pinot Grigio was not as lemony and tart. Like, if you know a Pinot Grigio, then you know that it's like, it's got that, it's like a little bit sweeter. So I actually do like that about this wine, and it's $5, so you can't beat it. Now let's get into this hair. Y'all, my eyelashes have been playing me. This glue is showing up and showing out, and I don't have time for it. So this hair is from Asteria Hair. Now, Asteria Hair is an online wig store where you can just get different sorts of wigs. And one of the wigs that they have, it is the Asteria Deep Wave 20 inches, and it's 150% density. This wig is a lace front wig, and she came with 3 combs, an adjustable strap in it, and she also came with an elastic band, so just to make sure your wig can fit. Now for this video today, I have to be honest with y'all, your girl don't be having time to be doing like a full-on customization of wigs. What we did today is did like sort of a lazy girl customization. I didn't pluck the lace, and I also didn't bleach the knots. Now the lace frontal is pre-plucked. I don't think the knots are pre-bleached, but they just had really light knots. See, like those knots are really tiny, so you can kind of get away with not bleaching it as long as somebody's not breathing on your scalp and melting your glue on your head. Let me go ahead and show y'all what this back looks like. So I'm gonna go basically show you what I did to make this wig look wearable, cute, and natural, and then I'll be back. So I'm cutting the lace at the side of my wig because I have a very small head, so it extends past my ear. So I just chop that off and start putting on the elastic band. This is a crucial step for me because, like I said, the wig is always too big for me, so I size the elastic band and then sew it on the edges of the wig. So I sew it right where the adjustable straps are if I can, and I try and make sure it's really secure. And just make sure you pull the elastic band from ear to ear and sew that down so it fits on your head flush and correctly, so you don't have to worry about it slipping off or any of that. So now I'm just going to cut off the lace at the back, and we're just going to moisturize the wig. Since I didn't wash it, I'm just going to be using this, I think this is what, the Jane Carter leave-in conditioner, and distributing it through the hair so I can easily detangle it. And I'm spraying the hair with just water just to moisten it, and then adding a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner. I love these products for this hair. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below for these products, but it kept the hair really soft. I also use like a Denman brush, or it's kind of like a Denman brush except cheaper. I'm also using a wrap and roll lotion. This kind of defines the curls and smooths them out. I wanted this wig to be kind of flat and deeply waved, and since I didn't have a lot of time, I just wanted to just blow dry the hair just to make it dry a little bit faster. I'm using the Got to Be Glued spray, free spray, to just lay down those edges. I wanted more of a slick look in the front, so I'm just going to brush it down with my handy dandy toothbrush. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I find that it makes it look a little bit more natural, especially when it has a pre-plucked sort of edges. Then it kind of helps it look a little bit more natural. We're going to use, I forgot what the stuff is called, but it's like that tissue that you wrap the hair with. Place that on there, and I leave it on there for about 5 minutes, and I'm using my blow dryer on cold just to help it dry a little bit faster as well. So once you carefully pop that off, you can tell that it's laid correctly, and now we're just going to cut off our lace. I get as close to the hairline as possible to make it look more natural. Just take your time when you're cutting the lace. Now we're going to place on the wig just to see how it's looking, to see if there's any more adjustments that we need to make. And as you can see here, the lace is a little bit light for my skin tone. So I'm going to need to spray it down with the L'Oreal Brute Touch Up. I probably put a little bit too much on there. It's a little bit dark. I would have done a lighter spray, but you know, it was fine. As you can tell, there's a big difference between the hairline before and the hairline now. It matches my skin tone almost perfectly. It's just a tiny bit too dark, but it fits. It looks a little bit more natural. Now I'm going to go back to using the Got to Be Glued Free Spray, and I'm just going to apply a tiny bit to my skin and then pressing it down. This is how I apply my wigs if I just don't want it to be like taut to my head and really, really tight. I just put it on certain parts of my edges and press it down with the end of a flat object, and those were tweezers. Now I'm going to use some Pro Conceal Concealer and adding that to the part since I didn't pluck it, and it makes it look more defined, and that's it. So now that we're back, y'all tell me what you think. Are there some lazy girl tips for your wig? Y'all let me know some of the things that y'all know. Please subscribe, okay? Like, I see a lot of y'all be coming in, we interact and stuff like that. I want y'all to see what I'm bringing to y'all on a weekly basis. I am consistent and mediocre, and that should be applauded. Let's go ahead and cheers. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.